Welcome back to Hobi IT channel. For this video I want to talk about the latest Windows update, KB5034441. Important requirement: the update requires at least 250 MB of free space in the WinRE partition to install successfully. If there's not enough space, the update will fail with error code in this video. This update is important for Windows 10 version 0x80070643 and 0x80070643 users who use BitLocker encryption. KB5034441 is an update that fixes a security vulnerability in the Windows recovery environment. This vulnerability could allow attackers to bypass BitLocker encryption and access your data. Who doesn't need this update? If your PC doesn't have a WinRE partition used for system recovery or doesn't use BitLocker encryption, you don't need this update. Let's check it together. Please enter View Update History. Here you can see all the file installation process attempts. This statement describes a Windows update, KB5034441, that fixes a security vulnerability in the Windows recovery environment WinRE. For Windows 10 versions 0x80070643 and 0x80070643, let's learn together why this problem occurs. This update automatically installs another update, KB5034442, within WinRE to fix the vulnerability. Who needs it? This update is only necessary for computers running Windows 10 Home and Pro versions 0x80070643 or 0x80070643 only with BitLocker encryption enabled. Who doesn't need it? If your PC doesn't have a WinRE partition used for system recovery or doesn't use BitLocker encryption, you don't need this update. Overall, this update is important for those using BitLocker encryption on Windows 10 versions 0x80070643 or 0x80070643 to maintain system security. However, it's crucial to ensure enough space in the WinRE partition before installing the update. If your PC using Windows recovery environment WinRE or your PC using BitLocker encryption, you need to update this important security. Important requirement: the update requires at least 250 MB of free space in the WinRE partition to install successfully. If there's not enough space, the update will fail with error code 0x80070643. How to get this update? The update only available on Windows Update. This update not available on Microsoft Windows Catalog. The statement then provides solutions for users who encounter the insufficient space error. 1. Manual partition resizing. They can follow Microsoft's instructions to manually increase the size of the WinRE partition to accommodate the update. Number 2. Using sample script. Alternatively, they can use a sample script not provided here, but likely downloadable from Microsoft too. Automate the process of increasing the WinRE partition size.